Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to be making butter chicken and I'm going to show you how I do it. Let's get to it. So butter chicken originated from India. It's creamy with tender chicken pieces and it's loaded with flavor. If you enjoy a good creamy dish with a lot of flavor, this Indian dish is for you. To start off our recipe, we need some grated ginger and some garam masala, some minced garlic, some chili powder. We need some salt and pepper and some cumin, some Greek yogurt, some turmeric, and some lemon juice. You can use some plain yogurt, but I'm using some Greek yogurt. I am using some chicken thigh because it doesn't dry out like chicken breast. I'm going to cut them in bite pieces. Once my chicken is all cut up, I'm going to add in my marinating spices. Once everything is added, I'm going to mix everything well until everything is well combined. And I'm going to marinate this for about 2 hours, but you can do it for more if you have the time. After 2 hours, I'm going to get a baking tray. I'm going to coat it with some cooking spray. Next, I will add my meat. And then I will bake this for about 20 minutes at 350. For my tomato sauce, I need some heavy cream and tomato paste. If you want a lower calorie version, you can use carnation milk or whole milk. We also need some chopped onion, some salt and pepper to taste, some cumin, grated ginger, garam masala, some minced garlic with chili powder, some crushed tomato and ground coriander. You can use some ghee, but you can also use some olive oil and butter, which is what I'm doing today. So for this spice, I couldn't find it in my local supermarket. I had to order it off. My chicken has been cooking for about 20 minutes and I removed it from the oven. I'm going to use all of the juices, so keep all that. In a pan, I have some oil that I added and I'm going to melt some butter. Once my butter is all melted, I'm going to add in my chopped onion. I'm going to let the onion cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will add in my grated onion and garlic, and minced garlic. I will let that cook for about 30 seconds to a minute. Next, I add my tomato paste and my spices. I'm going to let my tomato paste get darker color for maybe about 3 to 4 minutes. Once my tomato paste is all browned up, I'm going to add my crushed tomatoes. I'm going to mix everything together. I am going to add the lid and let this cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, if you're enjoying my content. After about 25 minutes or so, my sauce have thickened. I'm going to add in my heavy cream. Now I'm going to mix in the heavy cream with the tomato paste until everything is well combined. Now I'm going to add my meat. And don't forget to add all the juices and all the drippings. Once all my meat is done being added to the sauce, I'm going to give this a mix. After adding back the meat, you can see if you need any more salt, but I found that I didn't need any. And this is the spice that I bought from Amazon that I just added. Then I cooked the sauce for 5 more minutes, and then I garnished it with some parsley. So this is what it turned out like. It was very delicious and creamy. You can enjoy this with naan or rice. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I hope you give this one a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe.